folks, today I'm going to go over 5 things that you need to know about the Cosori recall before you cut that cord. Let's go ahead and get into it. So the first thing that you need to know about this recall is that it's completely voluntary. Cosori doesn't have to do this. They're doing it out of an abundance of caution because this is a safety issue. This isn't just a random defect, oh, this button doesn't work. They received reports of about 250 units out of 2 million that have this defect where they might smoke or burn and cause some property damage or minor injuries. And that's actually 0.01%. So that's not a huge percentage, but don't take the risk. Go ahead and get your recall. You're going to get a free unit. Just be safe. The second thing that you need to know about this recall is it only affects certain units, not all of their products. Now, it's going to affect the 3.7 quart and the 5.8 quart units that were sold only in the US, Canada, and Mexico. Now, these units were sold between June of 2018 and December of 2022. The affected units are just their oldest models. The newer units like the Cosori Pro 2 and the Dual Blaze were not affected in this recall. So make sure and you check the list. I'm going to link it down below. Verify that you have an affected unit. The third thing that you need to know about this recall is there's a quick way to check if you have an affected unit. I haven't cut the cord yet because I wanted to be able to show you guys before I do that. So right here, if you have bacon rather than a separate shake reminder, then you probably have an affected unit. Okay, so take a quick look at your unit. If you have a shake reminder, you're probably okay. If you don't, then go ahead and double check the list before you cut the cord and verify that you have a unit that is being recalled. I'll link it down below. That's just a quick, do I need to worry or do I not need to worry test. The fourth thing that you need to know about this recall is you can get a replacement even if you didn't sign up for the extended warranty and even if you don't have a receipt. It was given to you as a gift or you lost the receipt, you're still going to get a replacement unit under the recall. This is a safety thing, so they're not going to check receipts, but they will check to make sure that you have cut the cord on it. Now, that being said, if you get a replacement unit, go ahead and sign up for the extended warranty. You don't have to get marketing emails from them, but they will let you know if there's a problem with the unit. I was one of the first to know about this because I was on their list because I registered my unit. And not only that, you do get an extra year of the warranty with registering your unit. So normally it's a 1-year warranty. If you register your unit, you get a 2-year warranty. Now, the fifth thing that you need to know about this recall is you actually don't have to select a replacement unit. You do have the option to select a different Cosori product instead. Now, what I'm hearing from other people from Cosori is that it can take up to 6 weeks to get a replacement. So what some people are doing is they're going on Amazon and buying a new unit. They're getting a Cosori Pro 2 or they're getting a Dual Blaze, and they're doing that on their own dime. If you have Prime, you'll get it in 2 days, so you don't have to live 6 weeks without your air fryer. I don't know what I'm going to do for 6 weeks. Hopefully it won't take that long. So people are buying their own and then picking a different product from the recall. They have an oven style air fryer. I think they have some coffee products. So go ahead and check that out. And that is another option for you. You will get a replacement item. It's just not going to be an air fryer. You can go ahead and buy your own. You wanted to upgrade to, say, the Dual Blaze. I'm going to put a link in the description to the Cosori Pro 2 and also to the Cosori Dual Blaze. Now, that's the unit that has a heating element on top and on the bottom. So it's supposed to cook your food faster. I don't have any experience with that personally. I'm fine with what they're offering under the recall. I have every confidence about Cosori products moving forward. I have complete confidence. Cosori is a great company. They do make great products. They have great warranties, and they do have exceptional customer service. If you try to call them on their recall hotline, yeah, you're going to be in for long waits. Cosori owners across North America are freaking out right now, and they're calling. You're going to have long waits. Don't be mad at your customer service representative. It is not their fault. They're going to do their best to help you. The faster way and easier way to do it is just go to the website, recall.cosori.com, fill out the information. You're going to have to upload pictures that include the batch number that's located on the bottom of the unit. That also has the model number on it on the bottom, so you're going to have to flip it over. If you have specific questions about this recall, you can go ahead and leave a comment below. I'll do my best to answer them. I respond to all my comments. I just wanted to share all this information with everyone so we can all be safe and just have fun with our air fryers. While you're waiting to get your new unit, go ahead and check out some of my recipes that you can make with the air fryer. If you want to see me make a whole chicken in the air fryer, go ahead and click or tap here. Otherwise, you can click or tap here for another great air fryer recipe.